So we got the Boathouse Brothers Brewing Company, Brew a Soul Irish Red today.
On a tightrope, can I look down for survival? Finding my balance in my
Right off the bat, I'm kind of getting flashes of like a Guinness type of smell, you know? Definitely Irish.
Yeah, a deep stout or something like that.
Definitely Irish, real dark.
Smells good. Cheers.
Very rich.
Yeah. This is really good.
Wow.
That did not taste like what I was expecting, to be honest. Like, kind of creamy,
Yeah.
with a little bit of like bitterness,
Yep.
Yeah.
yet sweet at the same time.
There's like a bitter after.
And then it kind of mellows
Creamy.
out towards the end.
It mellows out and then you get that bitter finish.
Alright, so I'm gonna go right off the bat and give it a 4. I like it's really smooth to drink, I think. I like that bitter end to it, but it's not like too bitter for me. Yeah, so 4 out of 5.
So, even right after that chug, like I said earlier, similar to Guinness, but we were just discussing like a lighter Guinness, something that is easier to chug. It doesn't feel as like filling. So because of that, with this, like he said, the bitter finish and the smoothness and the sweetness all mixing together, good on the tongue, I'm gonna go with a 4.5 out of 5. Good job, Boathouse.
I am going to be giving it a 4. Really great color, excellent taste, and it really does go down really well. I could get a little bit more flavor out of it. It's almost there, but if there's a little bit more of a kick, that would definitely get it to a 5 for me.
Maybe a little more alcohol content in there. Probably. Amp it up just a little bit. Put a little bit in this. Perfect 5. There you go. There you
So
go.
let's,
1.
Wait, what are the rules?
I got a
guess whoever
3.
gets the highest
Yep.
number. Alright, baby, come on.
Give lower than a 3. Come on, give it to me. Give it to me.
oh,
Alright, so Connor won the special treat.
Yeah. I'm passing
He's
it off.
passing because he doesn't fuck with
Pickles.
pickles. And what we have here is a beer and a spear, right, boys? Now that's a Minnesota tradition right there. You see that? It's a weird one. And we're gonna give that a shot right now. Wish me luck. Good cheers. Alright. Holy fuck, that's delicious, dude. I'm not even lying, dude. So, right off the bat, I know we like to say that a lot. You can taste the pickle juice mixing with the beer, and it's actually like, oh my god, I never even heard of this, dude. Beer and a spear. Alright. Well, next time you're in Minnesota, drink a beer and a spear.